Okay, today we're going to go over a very specific topic. We're going to go over stimulus transfer control procedures. This is highly requested because it seems confusing, but I promise you it's not. So if you like my videos, like, subscribe, it helps. Okay, visit our website there at the bottom, rbtexamreview.com. I'm going to have two more videos coming this week covering exam questions. But today I just wanted to go over this specific topic because people seem to really struggle with it, but it's not that complicated. Okay. When we say stimulus transfer control, all we're really saying is fading prompts. Okay. So don't get confused by the technical language. We just want you to start fading prompts. All right. We want to transfer the control over a response from a prompt, okay, to an SD, to the actual SD. Okay. So when something comes under stimulus control, right, if it's under the control of an SD, okay, it's just been reinforced in the presence of that SD over and over again. And remember, your SD or your discriminative stimuli is just kind of your instruction. Okay. So if we're given an SD and then a prompt, okay, and then a response happens, the response is under the control of the prompt and not the SD. So we want that response to come under the control of the SD. Okay. And how do we do that? Well, we just transfer it, right? We have to fade the prompt and we have to reinforce the behavior happening after the SD and not the prompt. Okay. So let's look at our example. Our target is client says cup, right? So that's our target. Our response is cup, saying cup. Our first SD, okay, is going to be a verbal prompt, right? We're just trying to teach them to say the word. So we say cup. And the client says cup and we reinforce. We do that over and over again. Saying cup is under the control of that SD, saying cup, say cup, right? So when we say cup, they say cup. But if we show them a picture of a cup, they don't label it, okay? And that's what we're trying to get them to, right? We want to transfer control from our verbal prompt to the picture, right? And then to an actual cup, right? So how do we do that? How are we going to transfer control from that verbal prompt to an actual label? Okay. Well, we need to change our SD, right? We need to change what we're reinforcing in the presence of. Okay. So right now we're reinforcing in the presence of that first SD. Now we're going to present a picture of a cup and say, what is that? Okay. And when the client says cup, we reinforce and praise and do all the good stuff, right? The original SD is gone. Okay. We're no longer verbally prompting. We're just presenting a picture. And when the client says cup, okay, we reinforce. Now, when the client sees a cup or a picture of a cup, they say cup. They don't need the verbal prompt. We've transferred control from one SD to another, okay, just through reinforcement. Simply faded the prompt, okay? One more example, if we're teaching receptive instructions, I'm trying to teach a client to come here, or come to me, okay? At first, I might say, come here, and then someone physically guides them, right, to me, okay? And then we praise and reinforce. And so their coming to me is under control of that physical prompt, okay? We want to fade the physical prompt, right? So after a while, I just say, come here, and I wait. And as soon as they walk to me, okay, we reinforce and praise and everything, and it's great. Now we faded control, okay, over that come here behavior from the physical prompt to the verbal, right? The verbal command, right? So just think, if you get confused, stimulus transfer control, we're just fading a prompt, okay? That's essentially all you're doing. So don't overcomplicate it too much, right? Okay. End of the day, make it simple, right? If you get confused, always just make it as simple as you can. Okay, they want me to transfer control of the stimulus. Well, I'm just going to fade the prompt. I want to transfer control from the prompt to the actual SD. I just need to start reinforcing the behavior in the presence of the SD and not so much the prompt. Okay, so hopefully that helped. I'm going to write a blog on it on my website. Should be up today. So check that out. Like, subscribe. It helps. Look forward to 2 videos this week on exam questions, and I'll see you soon.